Take a look at this channel. It was created only a few days ago, yet it has already gained thousands of followers. Now watch these uploads. Some have crossed hundreds of thousands of views, while others have already reached millions. AI miniature rescue shorts are exploding right now. And the best part is that even brand new creators are getting massive reach with this style of content. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the complete process of creating cinematic AI rescue shorts for free, step by step, using simple AI tools anyone can access. Step 1. Find viral story ideas. Open ChatGPT and search for Mini World Asmer. Here's the mistake almost every beginner makes. They instantly choose the very first idea they see. That's exactly what you should avoid. Instead, spend a minute scrolling through the results and look for concepts that spark emotion, create curiosity, or have a slightly dark cinematic atmosphere. Those are the stories that usually hold viewers' attention much longer. Once you find a strong concept, copy its title and paste it back into ChatGPT. Then ask it to create a cinematic storytelling script with a scene-by-scene breakdown, including detailed image prompts for every scene. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate your complete story structure, making the entire content creation process much easier. Now you have a solid foundation to build your video. Step 2. Create cinematic AI images. Open Google Gemini. This is where your written story transforms into visuals. Copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Gemini. Generate the image and take a close look at the result. Your opening frame is incredibly important because it instantly sets the mood and visual quality of the entire video. If the first image feels cinematic, viewers are much more likely to keep watching. Repeat the same process for every remaining image prompt until your complete story has matching visuals. By the way, if you're finding any part of YouTube automation confusing, tell me in the comments what's stopping your progress right now. I personally read the comments, and I'll help you with a solution as quickly as I can. And if this tutorial is already helping you, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Step 3. Turn images into cinematic videos. Now open Google Flow. Create a new project, then use the Upload Image option from the left panel to import your first generated image. Now comes the part that makes everything feel alive. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write cinematic animation prompts for every scene in your story. It will generate realistic motion instructions for each image. Copy the first animation prompt and paste it into Google Flow. Click Generate and wait a few moments while your cinematic scene is created. Once it's finished, repeat the exact same workflow for every remaining image until your full story has been animated. Step 4. Edit everything together. Open CapCut and import all of your generated video clips. Arrange them in the correct sequence so the story flows naturally from beginning to end. This is where many creators lose viewers. They simply place the clips one after another and export the video. Instead, focus on building emotion with smooth pacing, clean transitions, sound effects, background music, and subtle cinematic touches that keep people watching until the final second. Once everything feels polished, export your video in high quality and upload it to YouTube Shorts. If you found this tutorial useful, subscribe for more practical AI content creation guides. And don't forget to comment with the biggest YouTube automation challenge you're facing right now. Your question could be featured in my next tutorial, and I'll make sure to help you solve it.